In this video, I'm going to show you how to follow someone on Neocities. Now, first, you want to find the person you want to follow. So over here, I'm just going to click on one of these people over here. I'm just going to click on this one, for example, Melon King. There we go. I'm going to click on it, and from their profile, you'll be able to see I can hit the follow button, and I am now following that person. Now, if you are on somebody's website and you don't know how to actually find it, make sure you actually go to any of the profiles, and this is the link you can use. So neocities.org/site/ and then their username, okay? So for example, over here you can see this is the username of this person, this person, this person. If you are on any of the sites, you'll be able to see that. Of course, so a lot of these sites actually have username.neocities.org, okay? So if I go here, as you can see, it's username.neocities.org over here, and I can go ahead and basically, of course, find their username by just using this part of the link, okay? So if I were, for example, to do this, if I go to like a random person's username here, I can go and change this last part, press enter, and I am now on their profile where I can follow them and follow, of course, their site. That's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.